In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. This is an essential task for project managers and teams who need to analyze issue data or provide updates in an easily digestible format. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can perform this export smoothly and efficiently. First, you need to navigate to your Jira project. Open up your Jira instance and head over to the specific project for which you want to export issues. This is your main working area, where you're managing and viewing all your project details and issues. Once you're in your project, take a look at the top navigation bar, where you'll find a tab labeled All Work. Clicking on this tab will bring up the list of all issues associated with your project. Depending on the size of your project, this list can be extensive, which makes it crucial to refine the scope of your export to make the data manageable and relevant. To narrow your results down to specific issues, it's important to use the filters available. These filters allow you to customize which issues you wish to include in your export. You might want to filter based on different criteria, such as the project name, the current status of issues, or who is assigned to each task. This step helps you tailor the list to show only the issues that are pertinent to your current needs or reporting requirements. For those needing more complex filtering, Jira offers JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. JQL is an incredibly powerful tool, perfect for more advanced users who want to create customized queries that pull very specific data points from their projects. Whether you're looking to track issues based on the creator, the date modified, or another custom field, JQL can handle these complex searches with ease. Once you've applied the filters and are satisfied with your displayed list of issues, it's time to proceed to the export function. To do this, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to the export function. Clicking this icon reveals an additional menu, providing several options for managing and tweaking your issue list. From this drop-down menu, you'll select Export. You'll then be presented with various export options. You can choose either Export Excel CSV All Fields or Export Excel CSV My Defaults. Your choice here will depend on how much detail you want in your export. If you select All Fields, you'll receive a comprehensive dataset, while Defaults will tailor the export to your usual settings. As you make your selection, the CSV file will begin downloading automatically. It's a quick process and shouldn't take long. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now, open this CSV file in Excel or any spreadsheet application you're comfortable with. From here, you're free to manipulate, analyze, or present your issue data as required. This export now serves as a valuable tool in your project management and reporting arsenal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Jira exporting tasks easier and more effective.